The one skill which helped me a lot in my career is the typing speed. Improve our typing speed. So if you are a complete beginner, I have a free tool for you guys. You don't need to download anything. Experience still, if you want to make it more better, so I have also an amazing tool for you which are free. The first tool is Typing Club. Okay, so you will just need to search typingclub.com. So when you see this website, okay, you will need to click here, get started. So this is for complete beginner. If you don't have any experience, right, and you want to improve your typing speed, so you will need to use this website. Okay, so you will need to just click on get started. Okay, click on the first one. Okay, so on the first one is the introduction, tapping, how you will need to practice on it. Okay, so here, after watching this video, then you will see another interface, okay, which is this one. Now here you can see they are telling you just tap the F key from your left index finger. Okay, so I will just tap F, then it's saying that tap G. Okay, and then here you can see it's saying good job. Okay, and then it's saying click enter. Okay, so you will just need to click enter, and then here you can see we move to another page. So here you will need to tap J. Okay, so just play it, it's very interesting website. You can there are also a lot of other games which you can play, and you can also improve your English. There are some kind of game which you can improve your vocabularies, so you can just tap and then you can play with it. It's very interesting. Okay, so the next one is for a little bit advanced level who have some experience in typing. So this is the monkeytab.com. okay, so when you search that, you will find on the first page. Okay, just do some practice on it. So I will just select this one, okay, a word, and then here you can see it will show me the simple words here. So I will just do some practice on it, so you can see. Okay, and if you make a mistake, so it will show you a red color, and then you will need to change it, and it's up to you. If you want to practice on it slowly, you can do. If you want to do it fast, you can also do it. It's up to you guys. Okay, so here you can see where you live. So you can play with it. Look at it, it's so interesting. Okay, get however. So it's very helpful, guys. Okay, just play with it. Okay, movie that. Okay, now here guys, you can see it's saying 42 and accuracy is 88. Okay, so if you just play with it, and your typing speed will be so much interesting, guys, in this tool which are completely free. Okay, and you don't need to install it on your computer. You can just play with it here directly. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about data entry, I have a complete course on my YouTube channel which is 8-hour long, and you can watch it and you can learn more about data entry. So thank you for watching as a mentor, and see you in the next video. Bye.